How you doing, guys, today? I hope so you're keeping well, like always. Today I'm in Kuta Art Center, Kuta Art Market, something similar to Ubud Art Market, but in Kuta, obviously. And I will walk into the Discovery Mall direction on the street, into Discovery Mall, Lipo Mall, German Beach, and from German Beach into Kuta Beach and Kuta Art Market again. So stay tuned, guys. I hope so you will enjoy today's update. And anyway, as you can see, it's super quiet and it's super hot, by the way. Super hot and super sunny.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
Alright, just left the art market and now I'm going on the main street heading to the Discovery Mall. And as you can see here, the market was a little bit open, few shops was open at the market as you saw, but however in this area, on the streets, everything, literally everything is completely closed. I will show you guys now. It's really closed. You can see super quiet, extremely everything is closed. By the way, it's 4 o'clock p.m. Saturday night, Saturday at 4. You will see that tomorrow. Anyway, it's like totally quiet. Check this out, guys. All is closed. Korea is super famous about the seafood, Chinese food and Indian food. But literally 100% the businesses here is closed, at least in this area. I'm passing now the Kuta Paradiso Hotel, one of the most famous hotels in Kuta. Check this out. I think it's also closed. I think so it is. Check this out.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
To be honest, I'm not sure if the Paradiso is open or not. However, I'm pretty sure, 100% sure, as the area over here is totally empty, totally quiet and abandoned. Maybe not abandoned, but it's totally closed. Everything. Not even any shop is open. Everything is just closed. However, this warung is open. That's the first one. Very small, very local. Let's say local, if you can say local warung in Kuta, obviously. But you know what I mean, guys. Okay, heading more into the Waterboom now. Waterboom and Discovery Mall. Check this out. one sport bar was open over here, but as you saw, completely zero. Hello. Oops. Now I'm passing the Bali Garden Beach, another very famous hotel, legendary in Kuta area. I think it's open, however the fountain is not working. So that's probably they reduced the cost. As you saw, there was the N hotel. I don't know exactly what kind of hotel is this, but only 99k per one night net, so that's super cheap. Anyway, this area is super quiet. And these people behind me, they are first people who I passed coming from the Kuta Square. Could you imagine that? And ATMs, quiet, and this place, always somebody asking, hi, and this place closed. Bamboo Bar and Discovery Mall. As you can see, super extremely quiet, completely nobody's here. It's Saturday evening, okay, it's not Saturday night, but it's Saturday evening, supposed to be a lot of people. Okay guys, and meanwhile, I just wanna ask you for the favor, like a few days ago, if you like the channel, you like video what we do, new video is every day at 7 p.m. Bali time, every single day. If you like the video, please subscribe now so you don't miss another vlog. By the way, tomorrow's is the vlog number 100, which is the very big number for us. Stay tuned. Anyway, I'm walking into the Kartika Plaza Hotel and Lipo Mall now. So quiet. Super hot, by the way, and over here will be some event next to the Discovery Kartika Resort and Discovery Mall. I'm not sure what's gonna be, but it's the preparation. Let's go next. Bali Rani Hotel is under the construction and Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel I think is open. However, I just want to say something about the guy was parked in the black car, just I was past him, and he was like he was alone in the car and he was wearing the mask. I don't know why and for what, however some people are doing like that. And second thing is today, this morning, I was in Sanur next to McDonald's. Next to me was the guy driving a bike and he had a mask on, like completely like this, that very close one. And then the thing is, as he started like a cough, like stuff like this, and you know what he do? He just took off the mask, start cough, put like this, sneeze, under cover his hand, and he put mask again. So what's the point he wear the mask if he don't know for what he was wearing the mask? That means because of him I possibly could get this crap or other people. So you wear mask, but because you know why you wear mask, or you just don't wear mask at all. Simple as that, right? Sorry, I have to talk about that, but I just don't know why. This is very nice new place. I don't know if it's new actually, I'm not super familiar with this area. However, this one is open. Is heading now into the Lipo Mall in Kuta, and then I will walk into the German beach and we will see how it's there.
Hello, Mike.
Alright, how you doing, mate?
Hey. Come back.
Yeah, always good vibes. It's super hot, by the way. But I think I have to start working faster a little bit, because if working too slow, everybody are trying to sell me something. By the way, did you saw this guy? So funny. I'm kinda close to the Lipo Mall. Dynasty seems open. I think so. It was actually open all the time. And now Anvaya Beach Resort also open. I think so. At least some cars are there and bus. And Fabris closed. So I'm walking and walking. As you can see, it's very quiet over here. You said, guys, I don't need to be worried to saying it's quiet, because that's how it is, and I'm doing the vlogs, and I think that's true. So that's why I'm saying what I'm feeling. By the way, the Anvaya hotel is very nice hotel. This Kanit restaurant is closed, and here is Eden Hotel open. By the way, one thing about the Masker and the Badong Regency, which is the Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Canggu, Uluwatu, this area, we are no need officially masks. I mean, the last time was the case about as they stop people on the motorbikes who don't have a mask. You have to pay 100k. I used to talk in the last vlog about that, and then few hours later some local authorities said you don't need to. So I wear mask for my personal safety. However, if I walk like this, it's also no problem. However, whenever you're gonna go to the shop or the hotel or restaurant, at least in the entrance and in the shop, you have to wear a mask. No excuse. That's why I have ready to go. Lipo Mall is over here, and now I will walk into the small street into the German beach, and then I will come back to Discovery Mall area by beach, and I will show you how is the conditions over there. However, Lipo Mall, yeah, it's open like usual. I used to buy the MacBook Air laptop to Winnie a few weeks ago. It's just very quiet inside. I think no need to show you guys how is there. Nothing super interesting, I guess. However, if you would like to see more inside, comment below. Beach Resort next to Lipo Mall. If somebody is familiar, for your information, it's open. And the area over here, hello, it's like how it is. Heading to German beach now. By the way, super hot in Bali nowadays. I already feel I'm gonna get a nice sunburn. Yeah, that's cool. I will be more handsome, right? Yeah, but as you can see, I walk on the middle of the gang, heading to the German beach, and it's totally quiet, as you can see. Alright, we'll see how is the conditions on the German beach. Oh, somebody asked me last time, by the way, why is German? German story is as in the early 70s, when the Nuremberg airport was under the construction. One of the German worker or some kind of construction guy used to sleep over there, and he was from Germany. That's why his name is of the beach is German now. German, but it's by in the Bahasa language, so by J, not by G. Some people over here, especially this one, they have a very nice villas over here. However, this house, it's maybe villa house, is I think is empty, abandoned. However, this one, this is the big wall. A lot of cars inside, and it's very nice. So this is the Pantai German, and here I'm not sure is this hotel or somewhere over here, very close to the German beach, is the one of hotels who were built in 1960s, and this is one of the oldest hotel in Kuta area. I watched somewhere about that. It's open, but is they have a big problems with the new people and financially, right? Normal thing. And beach itself is this one. Alright guys, coming back to the Pantai Kuta, almost arrived to my bike. I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed, like always. Some people laugh about, as I say, always time the same, like always, new vlog at 7 PM Bali time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and like always, see you tomorrow guys. Take care. Stay tuned. See ya.